JetTrac Mobile interface structures different parts of the data collection to make it easy to navigate. Each section can be expanded and collapsed. Here is job and customer information. The job notes have the information about the current job plus any relevant history notes. The field tech can quickly and easily add job notes by using voice to text. For example, fixed short in ceiling fan, added new outlet in kitchen. The tech enters their time in this section. The custom material list allows the tech to select all the materials they are using on the job. Checkboxes allow for easy communication between the tech and the office on next steps. Totals for materials and labor are automatically calculated into a grand total if the tech needs to collect on site. The tech can also add photos. And the tech can capture the customer's signature here and then submit.